is a trail called Wow up in Midway. Usually done as a shuttle run, at least that's how we do it. You can go up it and down it, but we normally shuttle this. Hopefully it's been redone. It definitely wasn't on my list of favorite trails to hit before, but we're gonna check it out. Supposedly they redone a lot of the bottom and added some berms. They definitely refixed the top section. I should have recorded it. The drop in before you start the climb, they've added berms and made that really cool and a lot of fun. But by the time I realized they redid it, I was having too much fun to stop and start it. So maybe in a future video, if you guys want to see that, we'll pump that out. Yeah, buddy. Rocky. And we're up kind of high, so there is some flies and bugs, so hopefully we don't feed any. Trying to play commentator. Oh shit. Oh, pretty close. That bird is right in the camera. I come close to hitting a few animals my day. That dude was close. Yeah, buddy. I think it's been about 2 years since I've been on this trail. So, maybe 3. Like I said, always kind of more just like a cross country, not as fun trail, at least for me. But I've got some videos coming through the pipeline of another trail system across the valley they've done up here, and that was so much fun. We ran into the trail builders and they're like, hey, if you check this out, we've redone it, made it a lot more fun. So that's where we're at this point right here. Got Eric behind me, Nerman behind him, and then Bigfoot Jen and Lucas somewhere back there. Oh yeah. Yeah, they definitely fixed the berms in here. I like it. These all used to be like flat corners, so you couldn't hold speed. Yeah, buddy. Nice and green up here too. It's amazing what some good berms can do to a trail. Just make it flow better. Look at these things. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Today we parked at the bottom, very, very bottom, so we can cross the road and do. How you guys doing? Little chunk, little chunder. The sun's playing a little tricky game with my eyes right now. Woo! Nice little section there. This is where my evil really shines on this stuff here. That stiffer fork and that coil. You definitely tell my evil is way more capable through that section. I mean, this bike's plenty capable. It's just the difference between butter and having to hang on a little tighter. Because the evil, I think, just eats that up, and the ride is way more smooth. This is cool because we are on the Instinct today. We're just loving this bike. And this is definitely not a trail that the Evo is needed for sure. If you do climb 400 feet, and then after the 400, well, you descend upper wow, and you climb like, I think it says 380 or so feet, and you hit the uphill, which was that last section we did, which was pretty sweet. I mean, they worked some of this, but yeah. I love little optional features. Me and optional features just get along really good. Yeah, they definitely reworked a lot of the hillside berms. Like these here. Man, I just don't remember them. It's been so long. I feel like those sections are flowing. Amazing. your speed there. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Oh boy. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, right here. Yes. Crap. Oh yeah. If you guys are still watching, thank you so much for supporting the channel. It means the world to me. You guys are just watching this and having fun, enjoying some relaxation. Get out and ride. Hopefully it motivates you to go. Like and subscribe. Definitely help me, my channel out a lot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they've definitely redone these berms for sure. Done a pretty good job. Wasn't sure if that was a jumper, just a Karen. I almost tried to jump that, but I think that was just a Karen. Whew. 180. Yeah, buddy. There's a little bit of flat pedaling still on this, but I mean, you can't complain. The rest of it's running great. You got to keep your speed. Throw a few little pedal strokes in as needed. Hell yeah. This trail is multi-directional. And like I said, I think most people shuttle this trail. That's the most common use for this, but there were some e-bikers we passed coming up it. I have an e-bike. Well, I have an e-bike, but if I was e-biking this, I would ride the road, knowing that all the people are bombing down this. You can see the backside.
Oh yeah. That's fun there.
Yeah, they've made it way better. Way better. Like all these little, just little improvements here and there. Like these corners, you can just kind of like run them. Like this right here, where they kind of just built in supports. Oh shit. That is probably a shortcut. Yeah. Yeah, it's because this side's out in the sun, so it's a little more dusty, a little more loose. They've definitely spent work here.
Yeah, they work
Like-
good.
Like they've got some support built in now. Like this one, look how much higher these are. Yeah, see, that's so much better. I forgot how many of these there are. At least they're better. But it is, as soon as you get your speed, you got to hit another switchback. Yeah. Sweet little pop. Stuffing over. don't know what section this is called. I think it's technically a different trail, but it's one that takes you out to the road so we can get to that upper stuff across the way. I think on Trail Forks it's still considered WOW, but pretty back in here. Corner Canyon-esque. That's the word I was looking for.